another shrimp. I got another shrimps. Nice and giant. Look at the side of the shrimps. The shrimps are cooked beautifully. Swadika, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai, and today I'm in Bang Bao, Got Chang, and right now we're gonna go down into the local fisherman to get some fresh shrimps, and then later I'm gonna go down to the local river to show you how to cook the shrimps in the local recipe. So let's follow me. เรือเพิ่งเข้าใช่ไหมคะเพิ่งเอาใส่ตู้ใช่ไหมคะ This is the shrimps that we're gonna get for cooking. They're just fresh from the boat. They went and used this one. Look at that. To dragging, and then you got the fish just freshly out of the boat. So good. You're gonna get half a kilo. How much,คะ25ค่ะOh, so they're gonna. That's where they get the fish cake. This is the type of fish that they make fish cake. Wow. ทำปลาหวาน Oh, that's sweet. ปลาหวานสีแดงๆใช่ไหมคะใช่ปลาหวานแล้วไม่ใส่ซีใส่น้ำตาลอ้อยน้ำตาลปี๊บอ๋อทำไรก็คือใส่ซี It's so nice. อันนี้คนหาปลาใช่ไหมคะผลงานใช่ไหมคะลูกจ้างเขาหุ่นเฟิร์มมากเลยค่ะหุ่นแข็งแรงมาก
Healthy lifestyle out here. You don't need gym.
No. Just imagine like his wing and then lift up. Look at his boat. That's his boat. อันนี้ใช่ไหมคะเรือที่ออกไปหามามี lobster ไหมคะมี lobster ไหมไม่มีไม่มีใช่ไหมคะ He's like this sea doesn't have the lobster, only the shrimps and the fish. ถ้าคุณยายได้ปลาอย่างนี้มาคุณยายว่าทำอะไรมันอร่อยที่สุดปลาไอ้กุ้ง
ก็ลวกย่างต้มยำอะไรได้ทั้งนั้นแหละ
ลวกย่างต้มยำ This type of shrimps you can do anything ทำได้ทุกอย่าง
แกงอะไรได้หมด
ยายชอบอะไรที่สุดยายชอบกินอะไรที่สุดเป็นกุ้งอย่างนี้เมนูอันไหนยายชอบ
ต้มย
ำเซ็กต้มยำลวกใช่ไหมคะขอบคุณมากค่ะยาย
แต่ยายชอบกินลวกมากกว่
ายายชอบกินลวก she recommend the dip this in a hot ใช่จ้ะใช่ we try that recipe both recipe we see which one is better ขอบคุณมากค่ะ this is like a hidden place that when you walking down the pier if you don't ask the local you will never know if you want to buy your seafood you want to get your shrimps or your fish you come here you walk down the pier and you see this red sign the Podi Resident Cafe and the fisherman is just like this opposite it look like they're closing down but you can walk on this side you walk there and you see someone and you ask them if they got fresh shrimps coming up the pier this is like a milk bar or in Thailand we call ร้านชำ you can go get some charcoal สวัสดีค่ะ we got a charcoal and this one is 40 baht now we're gonna go buy some fresh vegetable I'm gonna get some chili. This is red chili. I'm gonna get a few of them. And some lime. Some coriander. This is coriander. We need the root. So normally they're gonna set the tom yum set for you, but they don't have it. So you have to kind of like help yourself and get everything you want. So we're gonna do the boil. Lemongrass. This one is enough. 33 35 baht all total. Now this is our local river, and we found this one nice beautiful rock. We set up our cooking tools. We're gonna boil the shrimps. The grandmas recommend boil the shrimp so the shrimp can be like juicy, still gonna be juicy. I'm gonna put it now. Wow, that's a wrong idea. I didn't know that it could be that quick. Still don't. Yep. And then we're just gonna get the water. We're gonna boil it. Raining a little bit, but that shouldn't be a problem. Water in. We're gonna wash vegetable a little bit because we're gonna put this one in. Caffeine lime. So nice and cool and fresh. And we're gonna get some of this lemongrass and galangal. Okay, the fish is clean, but you can clean it again if you want, but they've been cleaned with nice water. Look at this, nice and giant. Look at the side of the shrimps. You're gonna put it in the water. Now the water is boiled. What? Are they missing? I caught one shrimp. I caught a shrimp. This is so much fun. Oh, I got another shrimp. We put it in here. Oh, that's a chili. And now we just let it cook. Easy peasy. While we wait for the shrimp to cook, we're gonna make some seafood dipping sauce. Wash out caffeine. Watch the root. We need the root. Ah, the fish bit me. Ah! Chili. Ow, the fish bite me. lime. A little bit of caffeine lime leaf. And yeah, caffeine. Oh no, a little bit of coriander leaf. Sorry, got distracted by the fish. Let's taste. Wow, good, but spicy, but good. Lucky just put only one chili. We got our dips here. Let's check out the shrimps. Look like it's cooked now. It cooked on one side. I'm gonna flip to the other side. You know when it cooked when it's this pink, orange pink. Wow, water so fresh. I think the shrimp is ready. So let's eat the shrimps and enjoy this beautiful river. The shrimps are cooked beautifully. And here you got it, the shrimps fresh from the ocean to the river. Taste. Let's see. Hopefully it won't collapse. These shrimps is so good with everything. You can grill it, you can do tom yum, you can do stir fry, and this couldn't be any fresher. It's just out from the ocean. I'm gonna rinse that off. Alright, you ready for the test with the tom yum, with the seafood dips? So good. One more. Look at this. So fresh. And I understand why grandma said this is the best way to cook this. Easy, and the shrimp still like juicy and sweet. It's not dry. You get like the most out of it. The flavor is still there. The shrimp is just bounce. The meat just bounce. Have a little bit with the coriander. Oh, this is amazing. Alright guys, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Oh, you like the shrimp juice? We're gonna share. We're gonna give the head to the fish too. I think they're hungry.